Hey guys, RankMath has just launched a brand new feature called AI Link Genius. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use this feature, what options you get inside it, and how it can help you improve your internal linking. So let's get started. To access this feature, first make sure your RankMath plugin is updated. After that, go to the Dashboard section inside RankMath, and under the modules, you'll find the AI Link Genius feature. Simply enable it. Now, one important thing, you can access this feature in the free plan as well, but to unlock all its advanced features, you'll need to switch to the Pro plan. Once you enable it, you'll see a new Link Genius option in the sidebar. Just click on it and open the dashboard. Inside this dashboard, you can see a complete report of your website's internal and external links. It shows you how many links are working properly, how many are broken, and the overall health of your links. Now, let's run an audit for all the links. For that, simply click on the crawl icon. Once you click on it, you'll get a few options. You can choose to audit all links, or only the ones with errors. For now, we'll select all links. Next, you'll be asked which type of links you want to audit. Here, we'll select both, because we want to audit both internal and external links. Now just click on Start Audit. As you can see, the audit is now complete. It found a total of 13 links on the website. When you scroll down, you'll get a detailed breakdown. How many links are working, how many are broken, and exactly which links are causing issues. So basically, in the Overview tab, you can quickly analyze your entire link structure and understand the health of your website links. Now let's move to the Posts section. In this section, you can see all the pages and posts available on your website. For each post, you get detailed insights like the number of internal links, external links, incoming links, and even the SEO score. As you can see on my dashboard, all this data is clearly visible. At the top, you also get filter options. You can filter and view all posts, or only specific ones based on conditions. And if you want, you can even export this entire data sheet. Now here's something really useful. If you click on any of these numbers, like internal or external links, you can directly see the actual links used inside that post. Let me show you an example. When I click here, you can see all the links inside this post. It shows the URL, the anchor text, and other important details. Here's another example. You can see all the external links of this post. If the status shows 200, that means the link is working perfectly. But if you see it highlighted in red, that means the link is broken or has an error. So in this section, you can easily analyze all your posts and understand how your links are structured. Now let's move to the Links section. In this section, you can see all the links on your website in one place. In the Posts section, you could only view links for a specific post, but here you get a complete overview of all your links together. Now you can perform multiple actions from here. For example, if you want to edit any link, you can do it directly from this dashboard. Let me show you how. Simply click on Edit, then update the anchor text or the URL as needed. If you want, you can also add a nofollow attribute, or just save it normally. As you can see, we've successfully updated the link. Now let me open that post and show you. Here you go. The updated link is now reflected inside the post as well. Apart from editing, you can also remove any link if needed. And if a link is showing as broken, but you know it's actually working, you can mark it as not broken. You also have the option to recheck any link again. So basically, this section gives you full control over all your links. But what if the same link appears in multiple places and you want to update it everywhere at once? Well, for that, we have a powerful feature called Bulk Update. Let's move to that section. Now let's see how the bulk update feature works. If you want to update the same link across multiple pages, this feature will save you a lot of time. First, go to the bulk update section. In step 1, you'll see some filtering options. This step is optional, so for now, we'll skip it and click on Next. Now, step 2 is the most important part. Here, you'll be asked what exactly you want to replace: only the URL, only the anchor text, or both. In our case, we want to replace both, so we'll select both options. Next, come to the anchor text settings. Here, you can choose the search type, either exact match or contains. You can select based on your requirement, but for this example, I'll choose contains. Now enter the old anchor text and the new anchor text you want to replace it with. And then choose how the match should work. I'll select the option where, if the word is found, it gets replaced. Now move to the URL settings. Here again, you can choose between exact match or partial match. After that, enter the old URL and the new URL. In my case, both are similar, so I'll keep them accordingly. Once done, click on Next. Now you'll see a summary of all the changes you're about to make. Click on Preview Changes. A new screen will open, showing how many links matched your conditions. In this case, only one link matched. Now, simply click on Apply Changes. And that's it. Your link has been successfully updated. Let me show you the result. When I open the article, you can see the updated anchor text and link are already applied. Now, one more important thing. All your bulk updates are saved in the History section, so if you ever make a mistake, you can easily roll back the changes. So with this feature, you can update multiple links at once and even undo them anytime. Now let's talk about keyword mapping. This feature allows you to automatically create internal links based on keywords. Simply go to Keyword Maps, click on Create Keyword Map. Enter your page name, URL, and add keyword variations. You can also generate keywords using AI. Then click on Preview and Execute, and apply the suggested links. That's it. Your internal linking will be automated. So that's how you can use AI Link Genius. If you found this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.